Imagine going back in time when the world still held its secrets, when uncharted lands awaited discovery. A time when true exploration meant hearing the whispers of ancient lands, feeling the pulse of a place still raw and untamed. A time when you could be one of the first to step onto a shore, to walk through a forest, to witness something that no one had seen before. Where is this? The places that make you ask this? These are the places I want to go. This is Madagascar, and it's a world waiting for you to discover.